Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the home button for a couple of seconds. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you would like to use on your watch, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. After you select the language, you probably will see the QR code on the screen. It means that we need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. Then tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Mi Fitness. Tap on it. Tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Then tap on Start. Check one of the boxes. You need to check the first one. You can also check the second one if you want to. And once you're done, tap on Agree. Here we need to select the region. So tap on the region button and scroll through the list. Find the preferred region and then tap on it to select it. For example, let's find the USA and tap on it like that. Then tap on Next. And once you're done with the region, you should see the health page of the application. Now tap on the device icon. Tap on Add Device. Tap on OK. And now we need to log in into Xiaomi account. So tap right here, enter the email and password. Then tap on Sign In. But if you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account right here. And then log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. Okay, and after you log in, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, this one is for the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Next we have the Bluetooth permission, and this one is required, so tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see also this message right here. You can turn on the sync to sync your fitness data if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on cancel for now. And then you will see the list of devices, and your phone should detect your watch, Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, as you can see. Once it detected the watch, tap on the name of it to select it, then tap on OK. It will redirect you to the settings, then tap on Bluetooth. Find the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active on the list of other devices, tap on it. Tap on the check mark on the watch, tap on the pair on your iPhone. Now you can go back to the Mi Fitness application, tap on the watch on the list again, tap on pair, tap on the check mark to confirm, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, tap on OK, then tap on Done. It should display the device page for your watch. For some reason it doesn't. Let's close the app and reopen it just in case. This, and let's tap on device, and here we have it, our Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. And also if you wake up the screen on your watch, it will be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.